Welcome to the Magda Hub. If you're tired of guessing and want to understand real signals and real attraction, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What if I told you that in only 3 minutes, you could make almost any girl feel more connected to you than guys who have known her for years? No pickup lines, no rehearsed compliments, no fake confidence, just 3 simple shifts most men never notice. And the wild part is this. It has nothing to do with looks or money. Stay here until the end today. Here's something many people miss. Real connection is not built from being perfect. It is not your jawline, not your clothes, not even the clever words you say. Real connection grows from your presence, the way you show up in a moment, the calm focus you bring into a conversation. When someone feels that energy, something shifts quietly inside them right away, and they start trusting you a little. Most guys step into a conversation already planning the next thing they will say. Their mind is busy, their attention is split, they are half performing and half listening, and people can feel that instantly. But when you show up fully present, phone away, and eyes focused, it feels different. Your body quietly says something powerful. It says, "You matter right now to me in this moment today, friend." Presence is rare today. Everyone is checking a screen or thinking about the next message. When you give someone full attention, it feels refreshing. Put the phone away, not face down on the table, put it somewhere else. Make warm eye contact, relax your shoulders, lean slightly forward. Small signals matter. Without saying a word, you show respect and real interest in the person standing right here with you. In a world where people scroll while talking, true attention feels powerful. It builds trust faster than clever jokes ever will. Presence is not a trick or a social hack. It is a decision you make in the moment. You decide that the person in front of you matters. That simple choice changes the entire tone of a conversation and makes people feel calm, open, and safe around you. Now comes the second shift. This is where many guys struggle. They think connection means talking more and being entertaining. They try to impress, but real connection grows when you listen better. Ask simple but honest questions, not the usual, "How was your day?" Try asking what has been exciting you lately, or what has been on your mind these days, and why it matters to you lately, friend. Then something important happens. After you ask, pause and truly listen. Do not rush to fill the silence. Do not wait for your turn to speak. Let her finish her thoughts. Let the story breathe. When someone feels hurt, walls slowly fall. Your quiet attention tells her that her thoughts matter and her feelings are safe with you right now. In this moment of honest, calm human connection today, friend, many people are busy trying to look interesting. They forget to be interested. When you show real curiosity about someone's inner world, conversations change quickly. Ask about dreams, ideas, or things that inspire them. These questions open deeper doors. Suddenly, the talk is not small anymore. It becomes meaningful and personal, and people start sharing more honest thoughts and feelings than they expected to share that day with you. Curiosity is more than a conversation skill. It is a form of care in action. When you listen with patience, people feel respected. They feel seen. That feeling is powerful. It makes them comfortable around you. And comfort is the soil where strong connection grows slowly over time with trust, warmth, honesty, and simple human attention that most people rarely receive in daily life today anymore. Sadly, friend, here, the third shift may be the most powerful of all: authenticity. Snorts. People are not drawn to perfect behavior. They are drawn to real honesty. You do not need the perfect answer every time. If something she says moves you, say it. If you feel nervous, admit it. Real moments create real bonds between two people who choose honesty over performance and truth over pretending every single time they talk. Being open takes courage. It is easier to hide behind a confident act. But when you drop the mask, something beautiful happens. The other person often drops their mask too. The conversation becomes lighter and more honest. It stops feeling like a performance. It begins to feel like two real people meeting heart to heart in a simple moment of truth and quiet understanding between both souls, right now together. You can spend hours talking with someone and still never reach their heart. Or you can spend only a few real minutes and create a lasting memory. Presence, curiosity, and authenticity work together. They turn ordinary conversations into meaningful experiences people remember for years because those moments feel sincere, calm, human, and deeply refreshing in a noisy, distracted world we all live in every single day. Now today, friend, so remember the simple formula. Show up fully. Put the phone away and lift your eyes, ask real questions and listen without rushing. And most important, be yourself. No performance needed, just honesty. 3 minutes, 3 small shifts, yet they require something rare today, genuine attention. And that alone can change everything for someone who simply wants to feel heard, seen, valued, and respected in this short moment.